Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Cadillac XT4. We're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good with just this. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or some type of coating, you can use tack solution to remove the extra contaminants that you may have on your headlight. And use a clean microfiber towel. So just grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens, and wipe off the contaminants with the clean microfiber towel. And with this one, clean around the surrounding area as well, just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the trim, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so to start the installation, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just place the film onto the headlight. So just be careful placing it down. Try not to stretch it or tear it around this area since there is a slit here. So to start off the installation, we need to align it right on the edge here. And it should align everything else here as well. So it just goes above the curve just by a little bit here. And this top section ends here. So we're going to focus on tacking this part down first. So once you have it aligned, lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Come to this side, grab your squeegee and start tightening it down slowly. Remove all of the water bubbles that are trapped underneath the film. Secure this whole section here. And this section here, we're just going to keep it aligned. So this extra material that you see here will wrap around inside here. So just make sure to help it wrap around like this. It should be easy to wrap, just like that. You may have like a small little finger here on the curve here, but it's easy to tack down. So now that we have this section tacked down and this section aligned and tacked down, we're going to come to this side and start stretching this one to remove the fingers here. So to stretch it, apply slip solution underneath the film, place it back down, and we're stretching it up to the edge right here. So once you apply slip solution, stretch the film until you reach to the edge here. That way we help remove all these fingers here. Hold it in position for a couple seconds, and with your squeegee, start helping it tack down. With this one, keep in mind, we're just trying to make sure everything stays tacked down, removing all these air bubbles here and these fingers that you may encounter here. And to remove the fingers that you have here, you could apply tack solution with a little bit of heat to shrink those fingers, and also the fingers on top here as well. Help them tack them down with heat and with tack solution. So grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Use the lowest setting and focus on applying heat where you see those fingers. Once you finish applying heat, grab your microfiber towel, wrap it around your squeegee, and just start tacking the film down. You may need to hold it in position for a couple seconds to help the adhesive activate faster. And now we will do the same here. So when you're doing the install, keep in mind this section here will be exposed since this area here is separated from the bottom and the top. So just keep that in mind. So just apply heat and tack solution here too. If you have a big finger, just help it stretch those fingers out. If you can, if the film is not on the edge, you can always relift it to help stretch the film and remove those fingers to make them smaller. So right now those fingers are still a little big, so we were to stretch more and have it on the edge, those fingers become smaller. So you can always lift and readjust it. So grab your tack solution, spray it on top, and squeegee out the film to tack it down and secure it. And now we have smaller fingers here to work with. Apply tack solution here to start securing it. That way it doesn't lift or try to go back to its original shape. So now here, apply heat to start removing the fingers to shrink them and tack them down. Wrap your squeegee around your microfiber towel and do the same steps like how we did it here. Okay, so for the last piece here, we're just going to make sure we lift it carefully up until where we haven't tacked it down. Spray slip solution, and we're just going to do a nice stretch to help remove the fingers here, and also just help it around the curve here. So it should be like this. It doesn't reach all the way here to the edge, it's just enough stretching to remove the fingers. So when you're trying to figure out how to go about the alignment here, you could just meet it as close to it as possible. It doesn't have to be exact because you're still going to see some clear on the lens here, but as close to it as possible. Grab your tack solution, lift carefully, and apply tack solution underneath the film, and then on top, bring it back down to tack down, and grab your squeegee to tack everything down. And then to remove the finger here that you may encounter, apply a little bit of heat. Grab your tack solution and just apply a little bit of pressure with your microfiber towel. So squeegee upward to help remove those fingers. Just apply a little bit of pressure and you should be good. And then the last thing to do would be to post heat the film to help make sure we seal the edges here. Just be careful not to crease it or bend it. So if you accidentally do, bring the film back down. So to seal everything, apply heat to seal this, that way it doesn't lift, and this here, and anywhere else where we have fingers. So once you're done with the installation for the headlight tint, the last thing to do would be to post heat everything. So you just grab your tack solution, spray it all over the headlight lens. You're going to need your microfiber towel to help tack down any edges that are lifting and also help remove any fingers. And as we're tacking it down with the microfiber towel, we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat so we can help the adhesive activate faster. So just go all around the headlight, making sure we secure the film to the headlight. Take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Cadillac XT4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the XT4. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.